Welcome to this channel. In this particular tutorial, we will simulate the basic transistor which is used in switching application. For this particular circuit simulator, we would be using the Texas Instruments TINA simulation tool. For more such videos, I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Now, one of the fundamental applications of a transistor is using to control the flow of power to another part of the circuit using an electric switch. So the transistors can create the binary on and off effect of a switch. For this particular circuit simulation for any kind of a NPN switch, the most fundamental switch circuit, we use the 2N2222 transistor to control the high power LEDs. To control the input flow into the base, the output is tied to the emitter of transistor. The collector is connected to the 9-volt supply. When the switch is off, the LED is also off, and when the voltage is greater than 0.6 volt, the transistor start saturating and looks like short circuit between the collector and the emitter. When voltage at the base is less than 0.6 volt, the transistor is in cutoff mode and no current flows because it is an open circuit between the collector and the emitter. For this particular circuit, we require a voltage source, we require a switch, we require two resistors of 1 kilo ohm and a transistor which is 2N2222 and also an LED. For the second circuit, when the switch is low and the LED is on, and when the switch is on, the LED is off. So let us simulate the circuit and we will analyze the transistor switching functionality and perform the DC analysis, and let us also calculate the nodal voltage. When the switch is off for circuit 1, the LED is off. When the switch is off for circuit 2, the LED is on. For the next analysis, we will close both the switch. The switch is getting supply voltage of 9 volt. Now let us run this particular analysis. The circuit 1, where LED is high when the switch is high, and for the circuit 2, the LED is low when the switch is high. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this has helped your learning purpose. I request you to like, share and subscribe my channel below.